Here's room number 2. Here. Brick wall. That's pretty cool. Window. Plug up there. Plug down there. Here's the street. Here's a shelf above the door. Here's the dining area. Here's your light. There's some construction going on. Here's a big window into the kitchen. Wow. Here's the kitchen. They said they're going to fix all this. Some pantry space. Here's the sink. They're going to put new appliances. And this bathroom. This toilet. Cool tub, huh? Okay. Here. Yep. Awesome.